Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping the obvious energy leaks and bad connections. First, power down, unplug, then plug into a different outlet or bypass a suspect surge protector. This isolates power noise. Next, trace the video cable. Replace an old HDMI or display port cable if it bends or has exposed wires. Once done, boot to safe mode and check display settings. Make sure the monitor runs at its native resolution and the correct refresh rate, since mismatched settings often cause flicker. Now you move into software and port-level checks that reveal subtle causes. Run the latest GPU and display drivers from the vendor. Driver conflicts can create intermittent frame drops. Then check monitor firmware updates. Follow the manufacturer steps carefully and try different ports, because a failing port can produce flicker while others remain stable. Once done, connect the monitor to another computer or swap in a spare GPU. If the problem follows the monitor, the panel or its internal board is suspect. Finish by addressing hardware replacements and final settings. If the monitor flickers persistently, replace the inverter or backlight assembly in LED/LCD models, or consider a full panel swap for long-term reliability. Also, disable adaptive sync and test fixed refresh rates such as 60 Hz or 75 Hz to see if it stabilizes. If things still go wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Log the exact conditions when flicker appears and record it with a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.